What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So just to let you know that I'll be making my AI bot live from next week, hopefully by Saturday or hopefully by Monday, if everything goes well with TradingView platform. So keep an eye on my website, moneymarkers.uk. Once it is live, you will see that in the shop section. And before that, I'll be uploading video for you how you can use this bot with the best settings. So starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price is pushing up and down. As mentioned clearly yesterday that we might see a gap up opening. Now, right here we have a gap up opening and price is heading towards the upper trend line of this channel. Now, very important, this is still an upper channel and price still has a bullish pressure towards the upside. So at this point, we are above 50 and 20 EMA, and the better entry would be some more pullback. In that case, we have a gap fill as well. And after that, if we have engulfer above 50 EMA, I will go long using 1 ATR for the target. So keep an eye, a pullback and then engulfing candle is something I want to see for my entry condition. Again, keep an eye on this channel as well. Let's say there is no entry condition and price hit this trend channel or this trend line. In that case, we might see another drop from here and we might see a push up and fake out here. That is why very important to see a close of a candle and avoid yourself getting caught up in the fake out. So make sure you see a complete break and close. If the price complete break and close above this trend line, in that case we have a confirmation that price is then gonna push up and head towards the next level of major resistance, from where we're gonna sell this market until where we're gonna buy with our entry condition. So make sure you look for a complete close. If we have a complete close, that itself an aggressive entry, and I will use 1 ATR once that happens. Otherwise, less aggressive entry is always a pullback above 50 EMA. Engulfer is something I want to see. Again, guys, we might see a push up and the price might go back down, leaves a wick there. That is why very important to see a complete close on 4-hour time frame. Exactly goes with NEMEX. We have a price above 50 and 20 EMA. If we have an engulfer above 50 EMA after this pullback, right above 50 EMA, in that case, I'm going to go long. Again, I won't take this as an entry after the gap up opening. I want to see a pullback now after the gap fill, followed by bullish engulfer. In that case, I will go long for my entry condition. Keep an eye on the upper channel until and unless the price won't break above or below this channel. I'm not going to go for the long-term trades. If we are broken below with a dramatic move, in that case, we are looking at the level below. If you have broken above with a dramatic move, we are looking at the level above. For now, we can just do range trade from this low to this high and from this high to this low, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video, and also mentioned all 4 platforms, the zones right here above and below in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones above and below on your charts. Exactly goes with capital.com data. Right here, as you can see, trend line, and if we have a pullback above 50 EMA follows engulfer, in that case I'm gonna go long from here using 1 ATR for the target. And we still have this channel where the price is trading in between, which is right here. As you can see, we had lots of fake outs right here, which is something we need to avoid. Make sure you have a complete close above for the complete bullish continuation. For now, we are good to do range trades above and below, and there's a chance the price will hit this upper trend line. Looking at this bullish cross, we might see a push up and then pull back down. Break above will take the price to the upper level. That is very likely. For the M6 audience, exactly the same. Keep an eye on the zone above and below. That was already mentioned in my previous video. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing down and in a process of a pullback. Now, if you remember, that zone has been sent to you already, which is with this nice 382 pin bar. You know the strategy that forms right at the resistance. Price nicely pushed down just to see, double check if that is a valid. Yes, that is a valid 382 candle. And looking at that, we had a nice push down that would have hit your take profit. Now, this zone was sent to you, and right here, if you have taken this trade, you have made some money. Talking about my students. Now, what to expect from here? Now, at this point, we might see a formation of possible double top pattern, something like this. In this scenario, I would like to see either a push up, rejection from here like bearish engulfer or 382 candle. In that case, we have a sell signal and we can take the trades using 1 ATR initially, or you can keep your stop loss above and go 1 to 1 initially, and 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio will be your next target. That is something for the sell condition. If let's say price forms one more red candle and then form bullish engulfer as we are above 50 EMA, I'm still going to look for my buy condition. If next candle close as an engulfing candle, that is also one of my valid buy signal, and I will go 1 ATR for my target till here, exit here and look for my double top trade. So for now, look for your buy trades. Since we are above 50 and 20 EMA, we had a nice pullback now. If you have captured that, you have made some money. Otherwise, look for engulfer here, or with next red and green candle, look for my valid bearish engulfing pattern to go long using 1 ATR for the target. So let's see how this goes. We are looking for buy trades at this point. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Next up, we have silver. Silver is just accumulating sideways, as you can see. So we are just waiting for the breakout, and once we see a breakout with a close, that will be a solid signal that price will gonna get and hit the next level of major resistance, which we have been waiting from last couple of weeks. 36.92 goes up to 37.72, from where we are looking to enter our sell trades with bearish engulfers or double top entry conditions. So keep an eye here. Very important area. Once the price pushes up, since we are above 50 EMA, I'm only looking to buy this market, and if we have this pin bar close, that will be a buy signal as well. As you can see, we have a pin bar here, that is likely signal that price gonna push up from it. That is all I'm looking at. I'm not looking for pullback entry bullish on this platform, but this pin bar can be a buy signal. Short term gonna be risky because that is happening in a sideways market. It's totally up to you if you want to take it or not. So keep an eye on the zone above from where we are looking to sell this market. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is pushed down from the level of resistance. Now at this point, we were using this level as a support on capital.com and on Ovanda as well. Since there is no buy condition and price broke below this level, what I'll be looking at? For now, I'll be looking at the level below right here. 63.87 goes up to 65.82. Let the price come to this level and forms engulfers or double top. Once that happens, I'm gonna go long from here. Otherwise, if the price won't reach to this level, but it forms engulfer above 50 EMA, I will go long simply above 50 EMA. But I want to see a valid pullback entry bullish. So we have a major trend continuation zone below, but before that, if the price forms engulfer, I am gonna go long from here. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition forms, we are only looking for buy trades till here, exit right here, and look for your next entry condition. But make sure you use 1 ATR for your initial targets. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.